Hey guys, welcome to channel Auto Surgery. Today we have a Mercedes-Benz ML350 Blue Tech. Today we will changing fuel filter on the diesel. So that's a easy job. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. You guys can do it. Let me show you something. Let's go with me. 2014 Mercedes-Benz ML350 Blue Tech. Yes, this is a diesel. Nice engine. Diesel. Beautiful car. Yeah. It's very nice. You know. This is very nice. Let's go together, guys. Let's changing that filter. First thing what we do, we disconnected this sensor here. There's a sensor here and one there. We make sure we disconnected that, and it has on that part here, particular time here, we have to unscrew it with a flat screwdriver. We remove this piece here, we put on the top. This is the turbo right here. Then this particular here, this guy here, to remove it, we have to remove this angle on the bottom here. It has two screws, hold it. It's connected to that guy here. One on the top and one on the bottom here. Then it's easy. You just pull it down like that. Boom, here she is. She's out. Now you have space to remove your fuel filter. To remove that fuel filter, you have to go here in the top. So as you guys can see, this filter, it's been a while. I spoke to the customer. He tell me he has it, he haven't changed it. He has 3 screws. One here for the ground here. They have a connector here. We disconnected this connector to here. Then one screw here and the other one here. And they have one who holding the filter himself, plus those 2 hoses. You just disconnected them, then you pull it just like that. Nice and easy. Here she is, right there. Okay, this is the old one. So now I'm just gonna install the new one. The new one. Here she is. I use that brain. That's a very good brain. Yes, I use that brain here. I'm gonna put a description under. You guys could see where we purchase our stuff. This is it right here. Here she is. Now we're gonna put it back at the same place. Okay. Just going down like that. So now we're just pressing this. Then we're gonna connect it, this guy, the ground, and there's 2 screws here. I'm gonna tie it up right there. So give me 1 second. I have to put my camera down, guys, to tight those 3 bolts on it. I mean 3 nuts, only that one, because I'm gonna tie them up, and plus I will put those hoses. I'm gonna place them up. Those hoses. Then I will put a new connector on that one. I'm not gonna using the same one that it has on it. All right, 1 second. Okay guys, so now I already put this one here. I replace it back. This piece for the turbo, I replace it back with turbo, just like I was telling you. second one, it's right here. I have that one here in the front. This guy in the front here too as well. So we have one bolt here. I'll put it back in. Everything's in. The filter himself is already in. So now I'm just gonna make sure this plastic here for those two bolts, it has to be sitting properly. But by the time I'm gonna put this guy here, this is it. Okay, so this have to be tight properly, and that one here, this one is going for the air filter, one on the left, one on the right. Just gonna put it nice and easy. You have to be sitting nice, because if it's not sitting nice, we don't want to trouble. Just nice and easy to put it in. Just gonna sit it down. Just make sure we go in the back. Make sure the back is going straight. At the same time, it's 2 and 1 has to go through. Right here. Alright. Okay guys, everything is done. We just need to plug the sensor. One here. One there. So everything is good. Just make sure everything is in good position. Tight. So now the sexy is ready to start. Let's start that sexy right now, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna start it up. We're just gonna put the key on like 4 to 5 times. We're not gonna start it right away because, you know, it didn't have no diesel. We're just gonna put the key on just from the pump. We're gonna bring it in the front. You see, like 1, you turn it off. There's 2, you turn it off again. 3, you turn it off. 4, turn it off. And now this is the last one. Start that sexy. That's no more if it's just shaking, because you know, like, this is the first time after the fuel filter has changed. That's normal. There you go. See, one shot. That's sexy. Starting up. Start it. She's ready to go home. We just make sure they have no leak where we put the clamps over here. Just make sure they have no leaks, nothing. And then just put the rest of the attack. She's ready to go home. Alright guys, thank you. Thank you guys for watching that video. Hopefully that video helped the friends, family member. Please share that video, subscribe, that I will do more video for you guys. Okay, so thank you. Have a wonderful day, whatever the time you're watching it. Have a good one. Remember, Jesus is coming soon. Thank you.